play shit up?
Yeah, man, listen. Kick it kind of slow. This real talking everybody know. Listen, kind of smack. I'm kind of faded. So I feel like this beat real talk made it. Me and my drink with my nigga Will. We like to chill and we keep it real. Real talk, that's the real deal. You fuck with us and best believe we'll kill. We ain't got no gun, we ain't got no Glock. But don't come around the block when you see us. It's all good. Don't try to drive by. It's cool. We on our fucking strive by. To the top when the fucking beat drop. It's real talk chillin' and he chillin' on the block with a black, the game and the motherfucking 2K. You talking bullshit and I say anyway, I ain't trying to hear it, so take it over there. Or go to the store and grab a bottle Belvedere. That's what I drink and best believe the weed stank. I smoke exotic, the beat I dropped it. I had to have it, I had to clap it like a standing ovation, man. This beat, man, I gotta have it. Feeling like Wheezy, man, chicken greasy. It's all good, my stomach feeling nice, kinda queasy. But I don't call Earl around the world. I'm pimping ludicrous shit around the world. Got all girls, part of Team Light. They say your eyes, they out of sight. And when I say it's out of sight, because I got my shades on. Because I'm fucking gone. Cause I'm fucking drunk. You niggas pawns, and I'm the fucking rook. Y'all some fucking crooks, man. Breaking in cribs, trying to steal some shit. I'm on the block shooting, trying to peel some shit. Listen, with my nigga real deal in the back. In 5 minutes from now, man, we hit the black. Spark it up. Listen, man, shining like some so glow. My nigga Will, man, he like that fucking SoCo. I like Limon. I like Patron. I like blue ice. It make me feel nice. It make me feel like I'm fucking fried rice with no pork. Listen, I got no tort insurance. It's all good, so I'm sure I pour it. I pour another shot to make you feel hot, feeling nice. You feel like you nice, like a slice of fucking pizza. I got a bitch named Lisa. She said she got a visa from Mexico. Bought her down, then I had to sex the hoe. And took her back where she from. Listen, it's all good, nation. Immigration had to send her back. Then I never fucking heard from her. Sent a letter, now I got the fucking word from her. Said she holding me down over there, overseas. It's all good. I said, bitch, please, listen. I cut you off with a fucking knife. Now my bitch white, and that's my wife. Living down in the village, yeah, I'm drawn. It's all good, the beat to the morn. We'll know when I'ma say it's all good. But he also know real talking, will we from the hood. New Brunswick, LA, we don't play. It's all good, so bring your guns any day. But just listen, don't wear blue or red, you'll be dead. Crips and Bloods, it's all good. Yeah, you'll see some blood. But I ain't got no parts in it. It's all good, but I'm real talk, and I gotta fucking talk in it. I say my word, that shit is absurd. It's all good. You niggas curd, niggas curry. You niggas Stephen Curry, fucking curry chicken. It's all good. I seen that nigga over Winston Hicken talking shit when real talk was trying to spit. So I had to speak to him, talk some shit. So he said, nigga, I don't fuck with you. It's all good. Pulled the gun out, then I buck with you. Had to block a wide cleft Jean. It's all good, real talk. He had to give me. The bitches, man, they see me and they know I'm nice. When I drink, then they know I'm fucking fried rice. No pork, man, but gave me extra duck sauce. The bitch come down and I asked for extra fuck sauce. Extra suey sauce. It's getting dark like Team Dark Skin, man. We chillin' in the park at night. I'm too bright, real talk, he kinda like Team Light Skin. That's the motherfucking bright skin. They say I'm kinda funny on the fucking trending topic. It's all good, but right now I spit the beat, drop it. It's all good, kinda nice, all blue ice. It's all good. You want a fucking slice? Listen, who gives a fuck about a cop? All I do is take shots and kick it when the fucking beat drop. I'm on some cool, smooth, old school Snoop shit. You on some sleepy, bout to go to sleep, some droop shit. You over there drooling. You over there slobbering. It's with your girls and I'm fucking clobbering. Over there with a fucking collaboration. It's real talk in the Oreo Nation. Listen, I rock black and white cause I'm bright. It's all good. I fuck your bitch all fucking night with my shades. Listen, in the eyes fucking green. It's real talk, Oreo ride. He on the scene. So you drop a topic and I will trend it, I will drop it.